Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. This is 24 lecture of your progressive English. Today our topic is worksheets. First worksheet is point out the nouns in the following sentences and write type of noun is it. आप लोगों ने पॉइंट आउट करना है कि सेंटेंसेस में कहाँ पे नाउन है और ये किस टाइप से बिलोंग करता है, लाइक common noun or proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun or material noun. Sentences we should demonstrate honesty every day. In first sentence, honesty is a noun. You have to tell the word noun and then you have to find out in which class the nouns belong. This honesty is an abstract noun. Honesty is an abstract noun. Rest of the sentences you people to do your own self. Next worksheet is fill in the blanks to connect the sentence. First, I went to the shop dash. We had run out of milk and eggs. Option A, but B, option B, because option C, though, and option C. Yet the correct answer is because, option B. Next, we went to the beach dash. I forget my sunglasses. The correct option is C. Next, it is harder to go to school dash. It is showing. It is harder to go to school dash. It is snowing. When, option C. When it is snowing. Next, I like cats dash. They do not like me. However, option A is correct answer. Next, we went to see a film dash. We had popcorns and option C is correct answer. And next worksheet is choose adjective in each sentence. आप लोगों ने adjective choose करना है यहाँ पे. They dash listen. Option A has, B have, option C is and are. They, option B is correct answer, have. Next, she dashed drunk. Option B has is correct answer. Next, they dash just come back from our holidays. Answer 3 have correct answer. Next, Sarah dash made pizza. Sarah has made. Option A is correct answer. Next worksheet, use dictionary to find the meaning of the unfamiliar words, then use in your sentences. First word is renowned. I am teaching you the meaning of these words. You have to use sentences these words in your own sentences. Renowned mean known by many people. Renowned mean known by many people. You have to use in your own sentence this word. Next word is skill, the ability to do something. Next word is gazed, look steadily and intentionally. Next word cooing, make a soft murmuring sound. Cooing, make a soft murmuring sound. Scattered, found at various. Found at various. Next worksheet, look at the underlined pronouns. You have look at the underlined pronouns in sentences and choose the correct option. First, their shoes are under the bed. Here is underlined word is there. Relative pronoun, B possessive pronoun, C reflexive pronoun and D demonstrative pronoun. Correct answer is possessive pronoun. There is a possessive pronoun. B option. Next sentence is to whom the letter should be posted. Option A relative pronouns, option B interrogative pronouns, option C reflexive pronoun, option D is demonstrative pronouns. The correct answer is interrogative pronouns. This one is interrogative pronouns, whom. Next sentence is you yourself. The underline pronoun is yourself. Must go to the police station. Options are relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronouns, and demonstrative pronoun. The correct answer is reflexive pronoun. Yourself is reflexive pronoun. Option B. Next I went to see store after work. Option A reflexive pronoun, option B interrogative, option C personal pronoun, and option D demonstrative pronoun. The correct answer is personal pronoun, option C personal pronoun. Next here is underline word is I, personal pronoun. And last everybody. The pronoun is everybody has to take the writing proficiency test in order to do the graduation. Options are personal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, C relative pronoun, and D possessive pronoun. The correct answer is indefinite pronoun. Everybody is a indefinite pronoun. Option B is correct answer. Note down your homework. You have to solve all of the worksheets, and also you have to write and learn letter to your uncle, thanking him, sending you birthday gift. You can write and learn this letter from your any grammar book. Midterm syllabus has been completed. Homework of notebooks will be checked when school will be open. Best of luck for your studies and for your midterm exams. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.